Welcome to the Belles Soundcheck. This is Kelly, this is Jamie, they are the Belles, they're my opening act.
JoJo and Jess believed in us. We've known them for about 15 years now.
And now we're out for 5 months playing shows every night all around the country.
I mean, this is the D.R.E.A.M tour, but this is a dream for us.
I want to sing my favorite song with you guys. Which one? Oh, come on, you know my favorite song. Oh! Shall we sing? Yeah. Let's go. Literally what I'm doing right now is my dream. Hey, friends! Okay, everyone, so I'm about to go crash the Belles' soundcheck. This is gonna be fun. The Belles are my opening act. They don't know that I'm doing this. I'm excited. Let's go! Can you tell Chris to turn my microphone on? I'm about to go crash the soundcheck. It's my favorite Belles song.
Jesslyn was my dance teacher. JoJo and I grew up at the dance studio together, and we were always really good friends.
JoJo was about 2 and Kelly was probably about 6, and they would be running around backstage. So this is like almost a full circle moment because here we are now opening for JoJo.
We just watched her rise to stardom, and for them to share that with us is incredible.
It was about 11 p.m. and Jess texted me and said, "Can you be in LA at noon and try out to open for JoJo's tour?"
And then, next thing you know, JoJo and Jesslyn FaceTime us, and they're like, "We're going on tour!" I like fell on the ground.
Every day we step out on stage, I just feel so blessed.
Yeah, me too.
It's like a second tour family. Everyone always says how happy they are on this job, and that makes me feel really happy.
I've always wanted to be a performer. I bought this black backpack when I was 14, and I brought it to every single show, every single writing appointment, and I was like, someday I'm gonna drop this backpack on a tour bus. And then I got to do that like last month.
These crazy kids, but they don't know that I wish it was you.
Walking onto that stage for the first time, hearing that audience explode.
In that roar of the crowd.
You never know what it's gonna be like until you're actually out on stage.
That was such a great feeling.
Just feeling like we did it.
It's fun every night.
So you'll never see me cry, cry, cry.
When we come off stage, we're always crossing JoJo in the hall, and JoJo's like, "What's the crowd like? Are they ready? Are they pumped up?" And we're always like, "Yeah, they're ready, they're great."
They're always so excited. And it's just wonderful to get to see these girls live out their dreams of seeing their idol. It's just so cool.
It's a really important role, but it's so easy because I'm not every day putting on a face and trying to be someone who I'm not. It just is genuine and it's who I am, so it makes it easy to do what I love.
It's very powerful to be on stage with your daughter. I mean, I can't even express how much it means to me every night.
I had a friend coming in today from Omaha with her mom, and so many girls here, you know, come with their moms, and for them to be able to look on stage and see another mother-daughter being best friends and supporting each other no matter what is awesome. And I think Jess and JoJo have that same relationship.
Madre, we're about to do audio if you want to come see the piano.
On a lot, yeah. Perfect.
Cool. I'm into it.
Oh, you hit me with goodbye, but I'm running like it's nothing, yeah, it's all a good lie. 'Cause I know
Everyone kind of knew that she was a star. She's always encouraging people to be themselves, be confident, dream big, and I think a lot of that does come from being from Nebraska and just wanting to support everyone around you.
didn't break mine, didn't break mine, didn't break mine.
I don't know any 16-year-old like that focused, who can just express themselves so well and know what she wants. Look at Kelly, look at JoJo, like the world is really open to them and all their dreams.
Yeah.
We're just having like such a fun
Seriously,
time.
we are just so happy all the time.
It's just fun. Like, we've all just been having so much fun.
It's just a bunch of Nebraska girls taking on the world.
Good job, superstar. Thank you for letting me crash.
Of course, anytime you're welcome at our side.
We are currently in Des Moines, Iowa. I'm probably gonna have a lot more fun with the audience because so many of my family and friends are gonna be here. A couple of my family is coming in from Omaha. And then a lot of them are coming in from Dubuque, Iowa, Davenport, Iowa, all around Iowa. Oh man, I have to make a list of everyone too so I don't forget anybody. Got a lot I gotta do yet. It's gonna be a good one tonight.
Let's do it. Do this. All the friends and fam.
Oh yeah.
My friends and family are here tonight. The first people I want to say hi to, Kay and Dave.
I got a video.
Honey, did you like it?
Amazing. Candace and Jay, and I see a Jada.
JoJo and I are cousins. They're so good, JoJo.
Thank you so much. Kid, how you doing?
And is there a little Dax? There is a little Dax up there.
Hey, you. JoJo.
Brandon and Miranda and Carter and Chase and Easton.
I'm gonna guess that you like the baseball part.
Oh, they did.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Hey Kim, hey Adria,
Her mom is my first cousin. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
You do a great job.
Hi, JoJo, great show. Thank you so much.
fiance, Thomas.
Hello, nice to meet you. Welcome to the family.
I see Reese, I see Ray, I see a Karen, and I see a Jerry over there.
Hey, troublemaker. Did you like the show? Thank you so much.
Hey Steve and Alex. And I promise you I'm gonna keep singing. My grandma and grandpa are here tonight. Hi grandma and grandpa.
Thank you so much.
Two of my very bestest friends, Hallie and Jane, are here. You guys may have seen them in the High Top Shoes music video.
We're best friends, yeah. I've actually known her since I was 2. Our moms judged dance competitions together.
Hey, Troubles. How are you? How are you? I saw you two right in the beginning.
Yes, when you were on the
It's
ball.
super good. I was like, oh, I see those two.
Do you guys know Shy Girl from the Boomerang music video? Hi EJ. Hell yeah, he was in the Only Getting Better music video.
Hey, buddy. How are you? Oh, it's going.
It's so nice that we can come and be a part of this and support her.
Yeah, it was a really good job.
Amazing. Loved it.
It was cool.
It's incredible. We always knew when she was little that she was going to be a star.
Pop star, you know, I didn't know that as much as I knew she was special from day one. Every time she went into the room would light up. Everybody seemed to gravitate towards her. And she's always been special. She's always been my little girl.
I'm Jaden, I'm JoJo's brother. It's a real, like a rally vibe. She's the combination on stage of Elton John and Freddie Mercury. Her stage presence is just unreal.
Thank you so much.
Good showmanship.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I am so proud of JoJo for what she's done, the impact she's had on so many people. I've talked with so many parents, moms, dads. It's really bringing families back together. It's a great thing to watch.
When they're all in front of the TV doing the bot dance. It's really cool to think that's JoJo's dance.
Check it out, your checklist. Check
It's just kind of in our blood to be performing and on stage. JoJo's grandmother, Kathy, she was the one who started the bows. When Jesslyn, JoJo's mom, was little, she always had a giant bow in Jesslyn's hair. It's such a cool thing that all these young girls are wearing bows and being themselves. It holds a deep meaning to us.
I like your outfit. Did you like the show? What was your favorite?
When she's singing Only Getting Better by the piano, and she gets finished with it and she looks towards the audience and there's a close-up on the stage and there's a smile on there. As a dad, it was worth everything to me.
Give them a round of applause. It's incredible. Thank you guys for coming.
Love you, JoJo.
Love you, JoJo. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the Nickelodeon YouTube channel and come back here every single day for more awesome content. Love you guys. Peace!